How's everybody doing? I hope quite well. I'm trying a place for the first time. I found it on Amazon, or on Amazon. I found it on Google. I just typed in good burger slash near me and found EJ Burgers, excuse me. I'll go over the menu here in a little bit. Decided to get a bacon cheeseburger because that's my go-to. I got the burger sauce, which I probably won't need because I picked up, oh wow. I got the medium sweet potato fry. Man, they give you a lot of fries. Oh man. Sweet potato fries are just the best. Couple ketchups. Got a loose fry that fell in the bag. Alright. Get this burger out. So there she is. Bacon cheeseburger. Bacon, cheese, pickle, lettuce. No onion, because I don't like it anyway. We use green leaf lettuce, which is not really my favorite, but we're going to give it a shot. There's something sweet in there. Pretty good. Well, there's the burger. Like I said, lettuce, tomato, pickle, cheddar cheese, bacon, ground beef. And of course there's sweet potato fries. Look at the size of that thing. Man. Good show. Alright. Got to tell you what. First time eating here, but they served a good burger. And I got all the fries eaten. I'm feeling it though. Whew. Good thing I got my water. So let's go over the menu here real quick, and then we'll wrap things up. All right. I'm gonna do this one-handed. So they have sandwiches, which I've never had. So upgrade to wheat, rye, sourdough, tortilla wrap, lettuce wrap. You can get fries or salad, onion rings, or potato fries. Or sweet potato fries, excuse me. So you got the grilled cheese, turkey ham, turkey cranberry pastrami, Cajun, Caesar chicken, chicken club, turkey club, BLT. That's all the sandwiches. Same thing with the burgers. So burgers, served with French fries. Interesting. So, hamburger, cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, double burger, barbecue burger, onion burger, teriyaki chicken burger, grilled chicken burger. So they have a pretty big selection of burgers. And I'm still going down, so. Then you got, now one thing that interests me is they have hot subs. So you get a turkey hot sub, Italian, chicken parm, crispy chicken parm. Pastrami, which interests me, if you've seen my Tats Delicatessen video. And they got a hot dip sub. Basically, it's a French dip. on a Philly cheesesteak. So I might have to try there. Let's try those. So we got the French fries, sweet potato fries, fresh curly fries, onion rings that are, they said they're house made. That interests me. I wonder if they do a good job on them. Chicken nuggets with fries, appetizers. Mozzarella sticks, chicken tender, or chicken strips, jalapeno poppers. Your drinks. And then they have salad, garden salad, Caesar salad. And then they got some fish and chip on the back. So they have fish and chips, prawns, clam chowder. And then you can get extras like extra chicken patty, extra beef patty, extra bacon, turkey. So there you go. That's EJ Burgers. Gotta say, pretty good. Not too bad at all. And they're located here in a industrial park, which is kind of smart because all these people who are working are gonna go get lunch somewhere, so they could easily just go grab a burger out there and it's right out there on the road, so it's right next to a light, next to a traffic light, easy to pull into. Well, all right, well, another good one this week. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the end cards here on the screen somewhere, and we'll catch you in the next one. So have a good one.